So now we are in this room for bed making. I really request you to take notes and pay attention for the details. Thank you very much. So now we are going to make the bed, and the first step of making the bed is stripping. When you are stripping, you have to protect yourself. You need to wear gloves for every time when making the bed. But I can tell you this, when you are making the bed and the guest is around, don't put on the gloves, because it looks bad to the guests. Like you don't want to touch where he touches. So you need to wear gloves, but you have just to judge when is to put. And if you decide to not putting on the gloves, please touch the corners of the bed linen, just the corners. But because my guest is not around, I'm going to use gloves. So please be patient while I'm going to bring my glove. You need to wear it properly. Then after, I'm going to strip the bed. After wearing gloves, the second point is to check for guest belongings that the guest might leave in the bed. So for the first point, I just see the guest clothes. I have to remove it. Of course, I don't have to put it in the wardrobe because I can't keep it for the guest, but I can put it near on the chair where the guest might found it, or I can put it back after making the bed. Then I continue checking for guest belongings. You see that I found in even the remote control for the TV. I put it aside. Then after checking for guest belongings, I found that there is nothing remaining in the bed linens. After checking for bed linen, then I have to strip the bed. This is the duvet with duvet cover. So I have to remove in just the duvet cover, and I will remain with the duvet. You don't have to arrange it anyhow. You have first to make it properly because it will be used again. We are not going to take this duvet to the laundry, but it will remain here for the next use. And when you are taking out the bed linen, you don't have to take them as rubbish. You have just tried to arrange it smoothly. You have also to remove the pillowcase. You see, we found the mark. It means we don't have to use it anymore. We are going to put this aside also. Now we are done with stripping the bed, and I have to take off the used bed linen. And I check all around. There is another pillow here. I have to remove it. And I have to take them off.